everyone, and today I'm back with another video, a cooking video. And today we're making a braised pork neck and egg, which is a very delicious food. So first we're going to start off with our palm sugar, and we're going to try and melt that so that we can get our color that we need. Then we'll put in our garlic, minced garlic, once we are done with the caramelizing. And we're going to make that until it's golden brown. Then we are going to add in our fish sauce, soy sauce, and we're going to stir that around. And then we're going to get our pork neck and put that in as well and stir it around until it's nice and cooked, I think. As you can see, we're stirring very good. We want the coloring to get onto the meat so it turns into a nice brown flavor. And we're going to let that sit and cook. And here it is now, all cooked. As you can see, it has this nice brown flavor, which is what we want, and it's very hot. Next we're gonna add in our chicken powder, and we're gonna start our rinse, stir that around to give us some flavoring.
Why does it smell so good?
Also, the pork neck is around 1 kilo, and as you can see, it's a nice brown. And here we are going to put in some chicken eggs into our mixture, and we're going to stir it around. And then after this we are going to add in some quail eggs and put that in with the chicken eggs and the rest, and we're going to stir it around until it's a nice brown. This is what it looks like right now. We're going to add in some more water so that it turns into a soup, and so that the eggs and all the rest of the meats are fully colorized like this, and it's a nice brown color that you want to see, and it looks very good. Next we're going to add in some tofu, which is optional, but I'm just going to add it in, and this is what it looks like now. We also want it to have a nice brown color as well, so we're going to put that in, and this still looks like this. And this is what it looks like after we boiled it. And now we're going to serve it. Here I'm scooping some egg and putting that into the bowl. And next we are going to scoop up some tofu and some meat. And we're going to eat it. Hooray! Here is me eating, and it is very yummy. Very, very yummy. It's also very hot. This is something I really like to eat. You can also eat this with rice, which is something that I usually like to put together. And it is very good. I'm going to give it a thumbs up. And bye. I'll see you in the next video.